Welcome viewers and subscribers to another video on Wull on the channel. You don't know, you get the latest mix up and mix downs over here. So we are going to talk about what the description of the video says. So subscribe if I your first time.
The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. Hold on. Just got east Port, please. Hold on. What you do?
So as for those who don't know, say Spice get stopped by police over in other states, you see me? Plus G0t youth out of the back and like them a deal with the look youth away. She say dog are just the look our son are just 14 for show you how the system stay from Zima viewers, Jaja. Viewers the system over this and a fall from yesterday, you see me? So but then I say to myself, say I wonder if it's a video, you see me? It can be a music video and you don't know what that go to. And I tell me I wonder if them know if a Spice. But then again, like I say, them people in no business if a rapper or not, you know. At them times them love more, at them times them more for just say yo, you know say yo. You stop them over and I just for know say we did do this, you see me? Yeah. Guess who's back? Yo. Chacha, me no easy, you know. Yo, guess who's back? The man is the boss himself, man. You see me say a video circulate, say man the job back. Me I share it still.
Alright, people, see it there? Back to work again. After 5 months, exactly 5 months. See there? Yeah. Permanent. Hot there, yeah. It's the best step and seat there, yeah. Back to work again. I'm patrolling at night, yeah. Give back thanks to you. Prayers on listen up for me, alright? And love on and support on the show, man. Bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, love it, is it? Yeah, man. So I saw you look out, so I mean in the Bible, so be there, brothers, keep love on you. Love all on the face, support on them, alright? Big up on yourself still, yeah. Out again, first time. I ever meet with the superintendent today. And you see me freezing immediately. I may transfer me out of parish shortly, but for now, I hear somebody there. That's it. So, bless up on yourself, alright?
So, after World Dawg goes up Bobs and Lord of love upon the life. Lava just sets up Bobs and go educated wise, said way upon him, you see me? But him do the good, the right thing, the bigger man things.
Rika, a life can manage by herself now.
She do what?
A life managed by itself now.
Yeah.
Over 1,000.
On Tuesdays.
Get where I come from? So I have to big her for that. You get where I come from? Real talk. So despite when I hear our people want to say, end of the day, support the merch. I support Pretty Dan. I think Pretty Dan has some soap. Yeah. And just for so many years over here, and I know you blaggers over here sitting down well with a soda and a popcorn and a wait. Well, then now go see me go up on a live and disrespect World Dawg. Not having it. Okay? Now go see me do that. Now go see me do it. You understand me? I'm not like that. You understand me? What say, what done, whatever the case might be. Simple like that. Me a big man. Alright? So, Wull X can big up on yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. Simple like that. You understand me? Yeah. When I pre and negative. No, I don't. I don't pre and negative. I said this early in my life. When I go to my bed, I pray. So I wake up, I want to win. When I wake up, I say thank God, and my mind set for win for the day. When I start my journey, I start to win. That me I look for. Get where I come from? So when I sit there with a negative thing, set on the mind to win. Big up Sione and Sione Closet. Simple like that.
Yeah.
You understand me? We not following nobody off in the boots, and nobody can't tell me I say nothing. Simple like that.
Simple like that.
Simple like that. You understand me? And everybody was support the whole of our marriage. I really, really, really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You understand me? Remember this, you know, everything is from chat and laugh. No matter what nobody wants to say. Who want to go east, west, north, and south. So everybody I win are from chat and laugh. Get me? I come from so big up the whole of you. Simple like that. It's like I felt so good with my slides them. The slides them, because you know, so I look at test, you have to do something like that.
Slide them look good.
Thank you very much. And if everything was a test, then I'm sorry, I had a 70 peer. You know, day and a half, actually, like, about 20 left. I have a tank on you. So I now follow uno for lose focus on no negative. Not doing it.
Slide them look good. A size left from where, yeah?
No, I'm going to try order some more now and get some bigger size. Because the bigger size I have right now is size 12. I know slides cut small for man, see it.
Yeah,
so, end of the day, I saw it. So always
like
remember,
13.
focus on the mind for win. When it's a two friend, one try go at each other on a love way, and end of the day, try for quash it. Don't try for build vibes. Because end of the day, when you see when I go say, them should do that, look how them this, and you go, overall, people go separate ways. In a friendship, also in a relationship. You're growing up, you lose one heap of good friend, and you gain one heap of friend.
True.
In a relationship, you have one heap of man, one heap of woman, and growing as so life goes. Bomb Squad, X Gang, Buzz Nation, everybody. Big up on yourself. Simple like that. Love everybody. Hero, big up yourself. You have look up bro. You understand me? Simple. No matter where your mind is set or where your mind is go through, big up. That's it. So all of the bloggers over here sitting down, go post that then.
Post this.
Simple. Where the weed going?
This.
Blood clot. Post that.
Let them go post this on them blood clot blog.
Post that. Post that. Blood clot, oh no. Follow nobody, I want to.
Move them pussy.
Nah, you only nasty, maybe we rush nobody. You mad?
Yeah. Said so.
Remember the time when Lincoln come and Lincoln cuss. And so Lincoln there, big bomb buckler, big song. Fuck off with that. Everybody will come. Send in our road.
Yeah.
Love everybody. I want to know. See, every time I talk it all a while, entourage over here, so never too like the youth. But see, I'm a nigga this now. Send him something on road, youth. Make use of it. Make use of the life. Make use of 4,000, 10,000 people.
Yeah.
You get where I come from? Remember, at the end of the day, you can have 1 million followers, but out of the 1 million followers, 100 alone that support you. The rest of them over here just for mix up and sauce. That's about it. Simple.
Never too
You understand me?
Yeah.
Go again?
I really think I'm never too like entourage either. See, you know, body good.
Everybody good.
If body good, we about him.
Yes.
That's what everybody don't like me. What the fuck?
So end of the day, I'm not gonna stop say it. It's what it is, it's what it is. Big up a DJ Palmer, Vice Cartel. Simple. I'm done that.
Yeah.
Remember the album out this Friday. Cop the album. Simple like that. Spice album out this Friday.
Yes.
Big up Spice. Simple. You understand me? Yeah. And big up Nicki Minaj. Simple. Yeah.
The Kumuchin entourage.
Kumujin entourage too. Simple like that.
Oh, we Kumuchin.
Bomba clot.
Me, we mind the business.
Oh, yeah, I mean. Big up everybody. I want you.
Yeah, I want big up everybody.
And big up the boss lady, Skin Cream.
Shit.
Lord clot.